I think when people first hear the term author platform, they get intimidated and they think to themselves, I don't want to be an influencer. I don't want to spend hours on social media. I don't have thousands of followers. And to that, I would say, take a beat. It's fine. And it's actually not about trying to be famous. It's about becoming findable. And these days, there are so many different ways for you to reach people directly. Through your phone, through the computer, we have opportunities to be on webinars, you have podcasts, you have your social media, you have newsletters, you have so many ways to reach people, and it's usually right in your pocket. So, 20 years ago, there were gatekeepers, and now there's so much accessibility for you to reach people. And an author platform is not about building thousands and thousands of people in an audience. It's really about building visibility and credibility. When you're thinking about building an author platform, I would first think about discoverability. And the first thing that I would do is Google yourself. What comes up? And that is your first test. So next, I would look at, do you have a website? On that website, do you have a professional bio? Do you have a professional photo? Do you have any information about your book or your area of expertise or your background? All of that should be very easily findable. All of that should be consistent across all areas of anywhere on the internet that anyone can find your name. So update your LinkedIn, update anything that is related to your social media, actually claim your social media handles or names or anything related to your book or area of expertise again, and also make sure that your bios are all up to date and everything is consistent. All of this is just small steps, but you want everyone who is trying to find you in relation to your book and in relation to your area of expertise. Another tip that I would give people for building an author platform is to own your audience. It's not about building an audience and just getting exposure or getting attention. It's about owning the attention and keeping the attention. So to that, I would say start a newsletter, collect people's email addresses, and collect a way for you to stay in touch with people. And maybe it's not a newsletter, maybe it's a broadcast channel, maybe it's a podcast, but make sure that you have a way to continually stay in touch with people. And that could start small. It could be 25 names, it could be 50 names, it could grow to be 500 names. Just stay consistent and also stay in touch. Another tip that I have for people who are building an author platform is to share your expertise and to share it consistently. Think to yourself, what do people ask me? And one exercise that I usually ask authors to do is to write down 20 questions of what people ask them regularly. And there you go. You have 20 pieces of content that you can create, blog posts or a social media post, a newsletter, anything that you can do that you can then get out into the world and post regularly. And it's really more about being consistent than about frequency. You don't have to post every day for a month and then go silent. It's actually more impactful to have 20 weeks worth of content than it is to have a month's worth of daily content, because you want to be a series and you want to be something that someone looks forward to, and you want to show up consistently.